वंदे 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 भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। भारत माता की जय।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम। Through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watch, we're so gallantly streaming, and the rockets wreck, the bombs bursting in, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. God bless. God bless. God bless. Vande Vande Vande. So whenever we offer this to Lord Ganesha, we sing this sloka. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. The sloka meaning is, O Lord Ganesha, come, join us here and make this program successful. None of the hindrance should come on our way and we can run this program smoothly. I'm repeating this again. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. We are offering rice, kumkum and turmeric, हल्दी, सिंदूर और अक्षत गणेश भगवान को हम यहाँ पे ऑफर कर रहे हैं, उनको अर्पण कर रहे हैं। उसके बाद हम यहाँ पे दिया प्रज्वलित करेंगे. We are going to light the lamps here. I pray to Lord Ganesha to bless us today. It's really hard. Oh Lord Ganesha, please bless us and let the program be successful. And now we are going to do the same with our chief guest. We will put the tilak on your face. That is our way of welcoming our guests. Akshat, Arise.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ.
This is our Indian way of welcoming our guests.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gautam, for joining us today.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव.
Namaste everybody, good morning, good afternoon to you, all of you. Thank you so much for taking the time and spending your precious time with us, celebrating India, Indian culture, Indian people, Indian community in Milwaukee, in Waukesha, in Brookfield, in Menominee Falls, and in entire Wisconsin. Thank you so much for being here, for understanding how important it is, a day of celebration for the community, the entire community. Doesn't matter where you are from, whether north, south, east, west, we are one country, we are from one land. And it is one ancient land that survived the religion, the heritage, the history, the civilization. And I'm proud to say today I stand here carrying the oldest civilizational values with the oldest democracy. So I'm proud from both sides. So I'm absolutely blessed. We are all blessed to be here in this country, the country of freedom, country of liberty, country of opportunity. So we are absolutely blessed to even have this opportunity to celebrate with you. Today, I would like to read a few proclamations that came through. First of all, Governor of Wisconsin had sent his proclamation to us as well. And I'm going to read the India Day proclamation from Milwaukee County Executive David Crowley now. Executive proclamation, whereas for 78 years, people all over the world have celebrated India Day, a holiday created to commemorate the United Kingdom Parliament's Indian Independence Act, which granted sovereignty to the Constituent Assembly of India. And whereas the annual observance of India Day acknowledges the long journey India undertook to gain independence while also celebrating its heritage and cultural diversity across borders, languages, and religions. Whereas founded by Spindle India Incorporation in 2013, India Fest Wisconsin has become Wisconsin's largest celebration of the holiday, offering thousands of residents for all over the states the opportunity to partake in India Day and fostering a cultural exchange between India and Wisconsin. And whereas founder Purnima Nath established Spindle India Incorporation to educate and inform people about Indian civilizational values and traditions, with her currently serving as chairwoman and volunteer president. And whereas India Day has historically been a holiday that reflects on the triumph of the Indian people in gaining their collective agency and independence from imperial rule, and India Fest Wisconsin enables residents from across the state to learn about the history of India while learning about and engaging with a culture that may differ from their own. Now, therefore, I, David Crowley, County Executive of Milwaukee County, do hereby proclaim August 15th, 2024 to be India Day, while encouraging residents from Milwaukee County and across the state of Wisconsin to join India Fest Wisconsin's celebration on Saturday, August 24th. Thank you, County Executive David Crowley. We have a citation from Senator Dan Conodle. Citation, know you by these presents, whereas August 24, 2024 marks the 77th anniversary of the effective date of India Independence Act on August 15th, 1947, and the resulting establishment of India as a sovereign state independent from the United Kingdom. And whereas Indian citizens, people of Indian descent, and many others worldwide have celebrated Indian Independence Day on August 15th each year since 1947. And whereas the celebration of India's Independence Day provides important opportunity to recognize and commemorate India's cultural diversity, extensive history, and many historical and modern contributions of Indian immigrants and those of Indian descent to the past and present, both in Wisconsin and across the world. And whereas India Fest Wisconsin has been held annually since 2013 and features hundreds of volunteers and thousands of attendees and dozens of corporate sponsors all gathering to celebrate India's independence, culture, and heritage. And whereas a variety of sponsors, including the non-profit organization Spindle India Incorporation, have made such celebrations possible through generous donations of time effort and resources that expand cultural education, bring communities together, and promote collaboration between India and the United States. And whereas the continuing efforts of India Fest organizers and volunteers each and every year represent invaluable contributions to that have and will continue to advance and cultural understanding of the Indian community and promote diversity and inclusion for years to come. Now, therefore, the members of the Wisconsin Senate, on the motion of State Senator Dan Conodo, hereby commend India Fest Wisconsin for their 12th years of commemorating Indian culture and civilization. Signed by State Senator Daniel Conodo. We have a proclamation from State of Wisconsin, County of Waukesha, from the Executive Branch and County Executive Paul Farrow. A proclamation, whereas India Fest Wisconsin India Day will be observing India's 78th Independence Day as India Day, and whereas India Day will be hoisting and honoring India's tricolor flag amongst leaders of the community along with the national anthem of India and the United States of America. And whereas India Fest Wisconsin will bring communities together beyond borders, boundaries, languages, religions, and regions. And whereas launched by Spindle India Incorporation, founded by Purnima Nath, India Fest Wisconsin promotes true diversity and inclusion for a stronger community since 2013. And whereas acknowledging the contribution of Spindle India Incorporation towards bringing communities together and bringing visibility of Indian community, culture, heritage, history, and civilization. Now therefore, be it hereby resolved, and I, Paul Farrow, County Executive of Waukesha County, do hereby proclaim that August 15, 2024 to be India Day for Waukesha County in the county of Waukesha in celebration of India Fest Wisconsin, bringing communities together. Signed by Paul Farrow, County Executive. Now we have a proclamation from Mayor Steve Ponto from Brookfield. Would you like to read it, sir?
This is a mayoral proclamation. It says, whereas India Fest Wisconsin 2024 marks the 12th anniversary of the celebration in Wisconsin and recognizes the 77th anniversary of the Independence Day of India from the United Kingdom on August 15th, 1947. And whereas India Fest Wisconsin 2024 proudly celebrates the heritage, civilization, tradition, history, and culture of India on this special day, and whereas India Fest was launched by Spindle India Inc., a nonprofit charitable 501c3 corporation founded by Purnima Nath, who serves as the volunteer president. And whereas India Fest and Purnima Nath are committed to advocating true diversity and compassion and improving the U.S.-India relationship and promote the collaboration of the world's oldest democracy and the world's largest democracy to foster a stronger and brighter society. And whereas India Fest Wisconsin celebrates the abilities and the contributions of Spindle India, Inc., as it serves our community and enhances our diversity, now therefore I, Stephen V. Ponto, Mayor of the City of Brookfield, do hereby proclaim Saturday, August 24th, 2024, to be India Day throughout the City of Brookfield.
Now, I would like to welcome you especially and say if there's anything you'd like to add. Proclamation is separate, but if you have any message for the community here.
Well, thank you. I'm honored to be a chief guest here. I'm happy to be among you. We have a very substantial Asian population. They don't separate different parts of Asia, but a very substantial population in the city of Brookfield. It's 11.5% of our population. And one thing that has really impressed me is the commitment to education. We have a first-rate school district, and Indian students have done very well over the years at the Elmbrook school system. So I applaud that commitment, and I wish you continued success and a happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Now I'd like to welcome Vinod Gautam ji. He's first time attending India Fest from the Consul General of India's office in Chicago. Welcome, sir. Would you have a moment to say something to the community?
Honorable Mayor, sir, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. A warm welcome to every one of you. Today we gather here for the 12th annual Fest, India Fest Wisconsin, a day where we come together to celebrate the vibrant and diverse culture, heritage, and spirit of India. I am thankful to Spindle India for organizing this grand event. Purnima ji, thank you very much for organizing this event. This year's festival is especially meaningful as we also mark the 78th Independence Day of India, a day that signifies our nation's journey towards freedom, democracy, and global prominence. India is a country like no other, a land where diversity is woven into the very fabric of our society. With our 1.4 billion people speaking more than 1,600 dialects and practicing a multitude of religions, India is a living testament to the power of unity in diversity. Our culture, with its rich traditions, arts, music, and cuisine, reflects this diversity and has captivated the world for centuries. India's democracy, the largest in the world, stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration. It is a democracy that thrives on inclusivity, where the voices of all citizens, regardless of their background, are heard and respected. Over the past 78 years, India has made remarkable strides in strengthening its democratic institutions, ensuring that governance is truly for the people, by the people, and of the people. This year, we witnessed the world's largest democratic exercise, the Great Indian Elections. With nearly 970 million eligible voters, 2/3 of the whom exercised their franchise, braving hottest summer in the last 70 years. This election was not just a testament of the vibrancy of Indian democracy, but also an event of global significance. The elections was conducted in a manner that was peaceful, fair, and transparent. The elections involved debates that showcased the widest possible freedom of speech in any country. In the recent years, India has achieved significant milestones on the global stage. Our economy is one of the fastest growing in the world, and our advancement in technology, space exploration, and renewable energy are paving the way for a bright future. Politically, India continues to uphold the values of democracy, human rights, and peace, making meaningful contributions to the global discourse. The recent G20 presidency is a testament to India's growing influence and leadership in addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges. But the story of India's success is not complete without acknowledging the incredible contribution of the Indian diaspora, particularly here in the United States. The Indian American community, with its dedication, talent, and hard work, has made an indelible mark on American society, whether in the fields of technology, medicine, academia, or entrepreneurship. Indian Americans have excelled, becoming leaders and innovators in their respective fields. They have not only brought prosperity to their adopted homeland, but have also strengthened the ties between India and the United States, fostering a relationship built on mutual respect and shared values. So as we celebrate the 78th Independence Day of India, let us take a moment to remember the sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom and to reflect on the incredible journey our nation has taken. Let us look forward to the future with optimism and determination, knowing that together as a global Indian community, we can continue to contribute to the progress and prosperity of both our motherland and our adopted homeland. So today let us celebrate not just our past, but our future. On that is bright, diverse and full of promise. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate all the people who has helped us putting together this festival, this gathering, so we can communicate what our culture is in the broader American community. There's a lot of misconception about Indian community in America, and that's something that we are trying to misspell and also trying to work towards, that we are actually very family oriented, education driven, highly achieved people, and also we bring in massive understanding of civilization, understanding of culture, because nothing like a country like India exists anywhere else at this point of time. This country existed 14,000 years ago. Our dialects are 2200s, and doesn't matter where you go, whether north, south, east or west, the warmth that you get is unmatchable from any other land of the entire universe at this point of time. And we also come with massive, massive non-violent attitude. That's something that I think we can utilize, and that's something that we want to foster. We assimilate too without forgetting our culture. That's something that we want to bring to the broader American community. And I'm extremely blessed that you chose to be here. I understand the vendors are there, so go over there, check their materials out, buy something from them. This cannot happen without a little bit of help from everybody. The folks may pay $7, $5. They may pay $200, $300. I may pay thousands of dollars to book this place. I may pay thousands of dollars to the sound, thousands of dollars to the person who's taking pictures. The venue cost us. So it is a collaborative effort. Everybody pays a little bit in order for us to bring this event. So I appreciate you are here. I appreciate you are going to be here. I appreciate you if you go around and check the vendors and buy something from them and bring your friends over here. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy the day, stay all day, and we are also give a little bit of token and gift bag to our guests today. Thank you so much.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ